goal with this activity is to work on your lower body strength, build up a nice squat. Here's what you're going to do. Get one kettlebell. You only need one. And get a ramp, because it's a little easier to squat with a ramp. You're going to set up in a rack position. So the kettlebell's resting in the crux of my elbow, and my thumb is at about my sternum or my breastbone. From here, you're going to get a nice tuck and an exhale. Take your opposite arm. You're going to reach forward. I'm going to maintain this reach because it's going to help me keep my ab position. From here, you're going to inhale, squat down, exhale, come on up. As I squat, as you'll see from the side, I'm making sure that as I tuck, exhale, and reach, my knees bend and my butt drops down at the same time. Do that, switch sides. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.